Hey there, welcome to the civil story. Those who don't know, we create construction professionals, and if you want to be the one, I recommend you to subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon so that you never miss any update from us. So today we are going to sort one of the major problem which is faced by almost each and every AutoCAD user. Whether you are a civil engineer, interior designer, or any construction professional and use AutoCAD in your day-to-day life, I recommend you to watch this video till end. So let's see what the problem is. Now I will try to open a file in AutoCAD and I see a message being popped up. The message states that the drawing file could not be opened because it was created with a more recent version of AutoCAD. That is, the AutoCAD version which is installed in your PC or desktop is quite lower as compared to the AutoCAD version in which the drawing file which you are trying to open is being made. That is, for example, if you create a drawing in AutoCAD 2020 and if you share that DWG file with someone else, and if he or she tries to open that file in a lower version AutoCAD, that is AutoCAD version below AutoCAD 2020, then he will see the same problem. So let's see how to sort it. To sort it, you have to follow few steps, which are as follows. The very first step is to go to Chrome and then search for Autodesk DWG Trueview. Then click on the very first link and here you can find DWG Trueview. Download it and install it. I have already installed it, so let's go to the DWG Trueview. So this is the very first interface which you will see after opening Autodesk DWG Trueview. Then go to the upper left corner and you will find a drop down arrow. Click on it and then select DWG Convert. Now you will see a pop-up box. Then go downside and you will see Add File. Click on it and select the file which you want to convert. Then press Open. Now on the right side you can see select a conversion setup. From this select either 2010 or 2013 if you are using a AutoCAD version below 2014, or if you are using any AutoCAD version lower than this, you can select any one from this, either 2000, 2004, 2007, 2010 or 2013. For instance, I will select it as 2010 and then I will click on Convert. Now the file is been converted. Press Close and then press Yes and then save it to the desktop. Now go to desktop. Now as we have converted it, let's check whether it's opening or not. And you can see that we have successfully converted it. So in this way you can sort this problem. If you found it helpful, do like this video and subscribe to our channel for more such content.